This is a 1949 Ford pickup. Me and my father are going to start fixing it up and working on it. We've already done a lot. As you can see, the fenders up here already have primer and everything. Although this was done quite a few years ago, and there are some spots that do need to be fixed up a little bit because they didn't really get sealed with a good layer of paint yet. And so we decided we're gonna finish this now. It's been a while, but we're gonna attempt to finish it over the summer through this coronavirus pandemic, since we got nothing else to do at home, you know. As you can see, the motor's already basically finished. It's got a few things here and there to do, but nothing big, no big projects. So now we're just working on the body. Now, as you can see, front is mostly done. It's missing a few parts here. The lower fender up front, that whole block there is missing. Today you're gonna start to see me work on the hood and then the bed. This is the hood we got started on the other day. It's got a little bit of work that needs to be done to it, a little bit of rust spots every here and there. That's what I'm gonna be working on today. And as you can see, it's had a few patchworks with Bondo, as you can see right there and there, but it's not a whole lot of cleaning up to do. I gotta check those for rust and everything. I'll scratch off all the primer, make sure it's all rust free. We don't really know who did this. We bought it and we weren't really sure how it got into the condition it was in. It had primer on it, but as you can see, that primer has kind of let some rust go through it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be working on today. My time lapse didn't go exactly how I hoped it would. The camera was out of focus the whole time, but oh well, I'll just talk over this. So what I'm doing here is I'm sanding down all the old primer and checking the body lines here on the side. You can't really tell that they're there, but you'll see it in the video after this. And it's going pretty good. There wasn't actually as much as I thought there would be, and it was easier to work on. I used an air tool that we got a long time ago. Not sure the brand of it, it's just some generic one. But yeah, here's the finished product. This is the finished product here. Well, I guess it's not exactly finished. We're gonna go over it once or twice when we go to actually primer it and do the Bondo. But as you can see, I got most of it off there. The red spots on there are the other, I think, original primer, or an older primer that somebody else put on. As you can see, he also put on Bondo, and that was to cover up a pretty good sized dent there. And when that dent was made, there was a pretty large section right there that kind of bulges up. I either have to Bondo up to that or try to dent it back in, I'm not sure exactly. And down near the body lines, I did some work. As you can see, that's what I was doing today, and I got most of the paint off there. There's still a little bit here and there, but I really targeted the rust spots, and there wasn't actually as much as I thought, so it turned out pretty good. I think I've done enough work on it for right now, and we'll just go to do the finishing touches when we go to re-primer and re-Bondo. Anyways, that's going to end it off. Here's what I'm going to be working on in the next video. It's going to be working on the bed. So that's what you'll see in the next video, and I'll see you later.